How to create an autoresponder. In this video, we will show you how to set up an autoresponder using triggers. Start by creating a new trigger for your autoresponder. The trigger type you should use is the customer replied trigger. For the first filter, we will select reply channel, and from here, can select which of the communication channels we want the autoresponder to be used with. For this video, we will use the SMS or texting option. For additional filters, there are many options and routes you can choose to make sure that the autoresponder works how you need it to. For demonstrative purposes, let's imagine a scenario where a contact is asking for a PDF or a file along those lines that can give them more information. We can create a filter using the Contains Phrase option that will start the autoresponder trigger whenever a contact mentions the word PDF over text. The action or auto-response that will follow the contact's mention of the PDF needs to be an SMS message, so we will choose the Send SMS option. Here we can set up the response that will automatically be sent via text message. Fill in the recipient portion with the custom value contact phone, and then proceed to create your text message. Sending PDFs and images this way can be tricky, so it's a good idea to send those through an additional email message. Rather than send the PDF file over text, the auto-response will inform the recipient that they will be receiving an email with the file they requested. Another option is that you can create a link to the PDF and insert that link into the text message for them to click on. But if you're choosing an email to send a file through an auto-response, you will need to also create an email action in the trigger. Choose the Send Email action and fill in the sender and recipient information as the custom values User Email and Contact Email. Now you can create your standard email and include whatever files the contact will be requesting. A third option you can choose, rather than sending a text message as an auto-response, is that you can make the action add them into a campaign. If the initial steps of the campaign you're adding them into include a text message response and an email with necessary files or PDFs, then the results will be the same. These are just a few simple ways you can use auto-responses within a trigger. There are many different options to choose from, so you should use whichever autoresponder works best for you.